Hey, what's up, Yoda fam? We're back at it again with another video. Today we have our good friend Peter. He's here to install some rock sliders on his super nice 4Runner. Go ahead, Peter. Explain what you got.
Hey folks, how you guys doing? So this is my 2017 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road. I decided to go with some sliders on it because we're going on an early trip coming up this weekend. So I decided to get these about 4 weeks ago. And they finally came in today. We're going to install some specs on them: 1/4 inch mounting plates, 2-inch by 2-inch square tube steel, and it's all DOA. If you haven't heard of RSG Offroad, they are literally the best ones made on the market today. We got the largest kickout, the longest coverage, and also I went with the 0-degree cant because I have kids, so they have to get inside the room.
So it's like a stepping thingy too. So
Yeah,
like
yeah, exactly.
Nice, nice, nice. All right, let's get this install going.
All right, let's go. Alright, so we got everything unwrapped, and most important part right here is probably the hardware. Came with a bunch of 13mm bolts, some flat washers, and the lock washers. What we're going to need in tool-wise, we're going to need a 13mm wrench and also some Loctite. Alright, let's get this going. Alright folks, first things first is we need to get under here onto the frame rails and remove a series of plugs. Because if we don't, they're going to interfere with the insulation. It won't sit flush with them already installed. We're also going to have to remove one of these brackets for the brake line and reinstall it afterwards.
So it looks like it protects it from dirt getting in. That's a big ass, oh I don't know. Big ass opening though. Is it?
Alright, let's roll that jack.